this is the minute Mr. Peace Dawa Media, who's the Kalimatul Light, Amatim Sharum Alek. Yet here for Amuchi, if you could look at it, you could look at my background, you could see John Dramani Mahama and all this stuff. You could see that this is the NDC party office in, what do you call it, Kumasi Ashanti region, where this place, 2019 February, NDC for Macho Man for now, Mobahana, or more NDC party sympathizers, bodybuilders, Zongo for youth, Ebaha, Emma NDC for Nibi, Interquasi or Muntam, Ama Womuku, boy, be I a friend of Wasiu, Abdul Wasiu, our no take, Abu Sawaba, Junction, Emma case near Winai. Aha, and Omuku Saboy no. Number Momuku boy no. From February to now no. Yet among for baby. Number NDC for no. A witty for IFO be a see a friend no. General Mosquito. But could be a friend and see Yamin wine no. Minimum Mudi crack. Joseph Yamin. Womina Moha and a Kum Saboy no. Ye Kumboy no manu ye. Ye Shutun Ewaha. Ye ya. IFN Abdul Wasiu. Uko sharp will was you. Akolana was your neighbor. Akolana, what is saying? 2.5 years. Our ya, and this is for Kun Ewaha. Anybody near. Where should you pay Makuni? I a friend of Tanku. Wow, Sha. And this is for the Omuye after the death of this young boy. No. Sani Bano. Nothing. Akula ni yo. Yo ane si obidi. 20 million. Haba. Obidi. 7 million. Haba. Is that how you're going to do it? I don't think this is right. As a Zongo youth activist, yet the Akula neba NDC officer, any animal, or more asamka, echo directly to the world, to the NDC General Mosquito. John Dramani Mahama. What do you have to say about this? What is going on since February?
First of all, we are giving thanks to Almighty Allah, and like we are greeting everybody around and across the globe. We are in a very sadness mood right now as we are here with this more innocent baby boy. Yeah. Since this incident happened, we are there trying to do our best so that we can bring the sadness of our mother down. Yes. And we are expecting these people, these NDC people, to come and bring justice of Abdul Wasu for him and his family and his son. Since that time, we didn't hear anything good from them. Today they will give us different story. They will be coming today. They will be coming tomorrow. The Dramani Mama is not around. They will be coming, but we are not even looking where they are directing us. We just need justice for Abdul Wasu and this innocent boy and his mother, because when they arrested those people who committed this crime, these same NDC people, I can remember that very day that Mr. Otufo was celebrating his birthday. I was sitting in front of my mother's place where she's selling. I saw Ibrahim Muhammad with 2 cars, 3 cars, one of his G-Wagon pickup and 2 Land Cruiser. They came and passed in front of my mother's place, not knowing they came and recruited themselves at the Central Police Station because they are trying to grant bail for those murderers. Immediately, Ibrahim Muhammad left to Kumasi within 3-4 days. When we went to the court, they told us that we should go and then come back after 2 weeks. Not knowing they came and drafted everything with the NDC people and the Ibrahim Muhammad because of the threats which was coming from some part of the Ox people. That if he didn't do something about the people that they have arrested, they also take action on them. They will do this, they will do that. It means you people have taken us for granted because we are quiet. And we are not quiet. We just don't want to take the law into our hands. That's why we are quiet. Because if we said we are going to create, we can create more than your expectations. And we know where all the bad people are. But we are just trying to follow the law. And we are just trying to, comport ourselves because we don't want to disobey anybody, we don't want to disobey the law. But we have given ourselves some time. This goes to the NDC leaders. First of all, the former president, John Dramani Mahama, Asiedu Nketia, you were there before this incident happened. It was in front of you. You ran away. You ran away. Why did you run away? Because you don't want to die.
Yeah.
Then it means every life is life, and every life is important. Because you know when you die here, NDC is going to lose something better, something good, and something big. Remember, Abdul Wasu is something big and something valuable, something very important in his family.
The Muslim community,
and the Muslim community, all across across the world. Wasu is very, very important because in Islam we've lost something and we've reduced now. This innocent boy, who is going to be his father?
Nobody.
We are here representing his father, but we can never be like his father to him. So Mr. Asiedu Nketia, John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, Asante, the Asante Regional NDC Chairman, Mubarak MP, Honorable Mubarak MP. This goes to you people because we are also trying to, follow the law. But if you people are taking we for granted, we are not useless, we are not aliens. We are citizens of Ghana, and we are citizens of Kumasi, and we are citizens of Asawasi constituency. If this is going to happen, then we are waiting for you guys for 2020. We are waiting for somebody who is coming to campaign in Asawasi constituency, that is coming to campaign for NDC. We are also waiting for you people. But if you people wanted to find yourself free, you should go and fight justice for Abdul Wasu and his family. Once you people can follow those people who committed the crime, push money to the court, and they get this thing, they were granted bail, and they are now roaming, talking shit, talking whatever they want. And what do you expect people to do?
NDC for we have very, very bad people. These politicians, not even NDC alone. Moya papa NDC, one believe in you, one free power so. How many years in here? One free power so. Not even 4 years. One believe in you.
Just because of their selfishness.
Just because of their own selfishness. Usha, we are Zongoni. The Omudia Abdul Wasu, we are bodybuilder. Now we are Zongoni. Now we do Omochi. No money, or Mama Equabuchi, or Mama Equa School Papa. Now we have been caught. Now we did NDC, Bakudi, and Soyani. Who did you Omochia? Sana Usua, or Mube you, Manyama. Some politicians way, Mudi Omochi, Bamba, Ukrano, Ebia, Baba Krano, Ebecha Omudi. And 2 years Zongoni, now we are bodybuilder. For Abdul Wasu, we in case, for Sian Yansa. For Zongo 7, case MPP from Kolano. First young answer, and Abdul Wasu case, Aya and a bullet in the starting here. I must say, Nibanye, Sa young boy, me, Sa Kolaki took it away. Ni young coupon and a bit shamu one by one. Sa Kolawi, when you near, Ni young coupon bet shamuka, more momunim up and down. Ni young coupon a bit shamuka one by one. From the top to the down. All the NDC members now, when you say, Sa case when we move. No more you money, no more free family. No, you don't care about the family, and you are here browsing. Oh, 2020, you are back. Okramuba 2020, and I am 2020. No, somebody said, "Mudi yes, Zango from Kolanisa." She says, "Zango from Niati." 2020, no more cutting baby. That will be the best, I think, because somebody Zango 40. Na ya kun Kolanwa, na ya kuye ya. Abraham to me, Yashi. Moi, friends, more bodybuilders, and we know you are child. Because somebody was in case, that's the answer. The major this is part 1. Part 2 and 3, Beba out. They're very big, dangerous. Edia Mamo. Munyan in Tamanam Koni family. John Dramani Mahama Eba Kumasia. He doesn't even care to go and see the family.
Ibrahim was okay.
Ibrahim Mahama Ubai. I see you doing Katia Ubai. Womu ina sa Joseph Yami no onyo. Mu se o makwa ni family kura kwachi ano. Na woni na mu se NDC politics. MPP politics. Mu fa we nsia nyansa. Mu o wa na di emo Abramo, na di sugar Abramo, na di nantwie salatam na di Abramo. Na di mo akwa hatch. during Hajj time. Now we need more. Common hospital, school, proper school, Zango, Yanibio, Zango, Yanibio. Sir, all the doors of Zango being following all these politicians, is gone. They say Zango phone call and the bodybuilders, you don't move boxing. One more question boxing, I pesca.
Because of Zango for our
they say Zango for our wise, empty the Yaba, yes, they say Zango, the Zango is gone. No more rice, no more sugar, no more ash, no more cow, no more fridge. Now the fridge, I'm out, say, cotton issue, light bell, one of it here. Salam alaikum.